You might have seen videos like these on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And also they are getting a ton of views on each platform, but you don't know how to make it. Don't worry, in this video, I am going to teach you how you can make videos like these and earn from it. Let's start today's video. Open any browser and search for ChatGPT and open it. Now right here that you provide me an image prompt in which Trump is selling sugarcane juice in India wearing a sleeveless shirt, and enter it. So ChatGPT will give the prompt. Here is the prompt provided by ChatGPT. Copy it and open a new tab. Search for Leonardo AI or any image generator, but I will go with Leonardo AI. Search for it in the new tab and open the first or second site. As you open the site, you will be redirected to its main page. Here, click on the image generation. Here I have pasted the old prompt, and below you can see the Trump's images that I have created. Now paste the prompt that you copied from ChatGPT. I will remove this prompt and paste the copied one. After pasting the prompt, simply click on Generate and your images will be generated in a while. You have to wait a few seconds to generate your images. The images are generated successfully, and looking as we wanted now, download the images or the one you like the most. I will go with this one because it's looking great to me. Again, open a new tab and search for HeyGen AI and open the first site. It's the video generator that we will use to create our video. As you are redirected to its main page, you will notice this prompt section in which this image icon is used to upload image. So click on it and upload the image that you have downloaded. That's not all. Now also paste the prompt that you have copied from ChatGPT and simply click on Generate. You will be redirected to another page, and also your video will be queued for a few minutes. It means that your video will be created after some time, and if you are a premium user, then your video will be created instantly. Now you have created video. Now to make profit from it, use platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok, or create these type of videos for others and charge them for it. In this way, you can earn from creating these videos.
Thanks for staying till the end. If you enjoyed watching the video, or this video has helped you in any way, so please like the video and subscribe to our channel so you can stay tuned for latest updates. See you in the next video.